Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh. Today we are going to continue the lessons of learning tajwid, and this day we are going to do the definition of tajwid. Tajwid, it is giving each letter its right when it is pronounced. The error in reciting the Quran is divided into two parts: a clear melody and a hidden melody. The apparent melody disturbs the meaning of the word, as it may become disobedient. As for the hidden melody, it disturbs the character's qualities and not the meaning, which means it disturbs only the qualities of the word and not the meaning. So, for more explanation, the apparent melody disturbs the meaning, which means instead of saying asa, we say asa, and this is fault. We have changed the sin from sin to sad, and this change all the meaning of the word. Okay, but the hidden melody, it doesn't disturb the meaning, but it disturbs the qualities of the letter. For example, instead of saying in kana, we say in kana. Instead of hidden the noon before the kaf, no, we appear it, and this is false. Okay, so a normal Muslim must learn the characteristics and exists of the letters so as not to disturb the Quranic words and their meanings. جزاكم الله خيرا والسلام عليكم ورحمة الله